How to do anonymous questions on Instagram using NGL. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to do anonymous questions on Instagram using NGL. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to download and install the NGL application on your device. And then you need to launch NGL app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and after that you will land on this play section where you have to simply select copy link button. Now tap share button to share on your story. Now here are some of the previews given on how to add a link to your story. And once you have done this, you simply need to tap share on Instagram. Simply you have to tap your story at the top left corner of the screen. Make sure to choose any image by tapping your story at top left corner and after that select the sticker icon at top right corner of the screen. Choose the link and then you have to paste the URL that you have copied and tap the down button at top right corner. Now the NGL link is here and once you have done that you need to proceed towards your story at bottom left corner of the screen. And now what you can do is simply the followers on your Instagram can now use the NGL link in your story to send you anonymous questions. So if you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on our latest videos.